Ma'am, wait a minute. Ma'am, please switch on your camera. Yes, ma'am.
Now it's there.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah, please.
Good afternoon to everyone. A very warm welcome. I, Sheetal, welcome our honorable guest, Jasmeet Kaur ma'am, on behalf of our all Hey Foodie team. Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
Now I will introduce you, ma'am. Can I start?
Yeah, please.
Jasmeet ma'am is a nutritionist and a fitness trainer. She is a fitness and a yoga aficionado person. She is globally certified. She is a yogini and a lifestyle transformation trainer. Along with that, she loves to travel. Now over to our host, Kajal. Thank you, ma'am.
Thanks.
Kajal, firstly, unmute yourself.
I'm so sorry, ma'am. I'm starting again.
Yeah.
हेलो नमस्ते गुड आफ्टरनून मैम मैं हूं आपकी अपनी होस्ट और दोस्त काजल एंड टुडे वी हैव अ वेरी स्पेशल गेस्ट विथ अस मिस जसमीत कौर मैम आई एक्सटेंड अ वेरी वार्म वेलकम to you ma'am and each one of them present here for today's healthy chat show ma'am before we start I would Before we start, I would like to tell you in brief about Hey Foodie. What is Hey Foodie? Hey Foodie is all about we are a food tech company which is trying to create an awareness among us, the millionaires and especially between the students through and subscription service and nutritioning them for a better future with healthy, hygienic and fresh food, reminding of their maa ke haath ka khana. We provide a medium through which people can inculcate healthy eating habits in their day-to-day life and hence we made aware of its importance. So I would like to start of today's session by asking you some questions. So shall we start, ma'am?
Yeah. Sure.
So ma'am, please tell us about your journey from the starting.
I have started my journey almost 16 years back with the corporates. I had started working as an HR, and I was there with the corporates in HR field more than 10 years. Then post pregnancy, I dropped my idea to get into the regular job, and then I focused on my family and on my kids' health. And after that, when I gained my postpartum weight, so I decided to work on myself. And gradually, I get into this field, and now I'm working as a fitness trainer. So I'm. This is like a brief about myself.
Very true, ma'am. Ma'am, next question. Where does your passion come from?
My passion comes from like as I've told you that I've started getting into this field like it was like the need of the hour. I gained so much of weight post pregnancy, and then I started working on myself. And then gradually I realized that this is like working out is like my passion and training and everything. So this like I totally felt like it's like I cannot skip even a single day workouts, and then I get into the nutrition and diet thing, and then it's like become it's totally my passion, and then it's turned my career.
Very true, ma'am. So in this pandemic, what are your learnings?
In this pandemic, I cannot say this is my learning only. I think the people are very much aware now, and they are very conscious about their health. And everybody wants to have the good immunity system, and everybody wants to have a good health, because this pandemic, people have learned that this is all about health. If you're healthy and if you're strong from inside, then you can beat the virus, and you can sail through this pandemic smoothly. So it's all about the good health, the good eating habits, which gives you the immunity. So one should be very careful about that, and one should be conscious about the health and the diet.
Very true, ma'am. So, what do you think is the reason for living a healthy lifestyle is turning out to be a big challenge?
Turning a good. Can you please repeat the question?
Ma'am, so what do you think is the reason for living a healthy lifestyle is turning out to be a big challenge?
No, it's not a big challenge. If you are already into a bad lifestyle, then maybe it's a challenge initially. But once you get into that, any habit, if you inculcate in your daily routine, it will take not more than 3 weeks. If you really want to get into that, and if you want to change it, I don't think it's very challenging. But yes, you need the right guidance for that. And without guidance, without professional help, it is a little bit difficult, because if you search on the internet, if you just go like that, there is a lot of information about the health and what to eat, what not to eat. So it's better at the initial stages if you take some professional help. So it will give you the path, the right way to get into that. Then I don't think it will be a very challenging. It's very
Very
easy.
true. Very
Trust me.
true, ma'am. Ma'am, what are you most afraid of getting the things in your life or way?
Getting the three things away.
In your way or in your life?
If it's getting away, you mean?
Yes, ma'am.
Uh, I don't let anything control my emotions, because with the time and especially with the yoga and the meditation, I made myself so strong that I don't think I will be feel like it's something which give me that heartbroken thing, or something devastate me so easily. So I have worked on myself really hard to have a good health, good mind, and good spirits.
Very nice, ma'am. Ma'am, nowadays depression cases are rapidly increasing. Why is it so? Your views on it?
Yes, you are right. Especially after pandemic, depression is a very big concern nowadays, and it's a big concern for the nation also. But what I would suggest, and what I would say on the depression, that depression is something which is again something related to your energy levels. If you are not happy from inside, if you don't have that energy levels from within yourself, then you will be, even if you are not in depression, you will easily stressed to get out yourself. So it's all about your inner peace, your health, and your energy levels. So if you work rightly on that, if you eat right, if you meditate continuously, and if you make yourself so strong, then I don't think that depression even touched you. You will sail through any kind of a situation, any kind of a difficult situation in your life. And trust me, it's all about your energy levels, whether it's energy in the kind of your that food energy, or your inner energy, your soul energy. It's all about the energy levels. You have to work on all aspects of your inner strength.
Very true, ma'am. Ma'am, my next question is, you are a working lady also and you are managing your home also. So how you manage your personal and professional both life?
Um, Earlier, It was like when my kid was small, it was a little bit challenging with the small kid. But yes, I'd manage those timings as well. And right now, it's just a say that kids are growing, so you are a little free. But now the new responsibilities are there, studies, and in the pandemic, the schools are closed. Like they are at home. Even husband is at home. Need to see the family, the in-laws, and then working out on your clients and on your professional life. It's difficult thing, but yes, we have to manage it, because as a fitness trainer, we have to keep ourselves fit and healthy. So we have to spend like a time on ourselves, then on our clients, then on our family, because family health is also very important. So it's like you have to manage all the things. You have to manage the time. So you have to sit and schedule it, your timings and everything. And for the any new person who wants to get into like if they are working and they want to manage the family and they want to focus on their fitness, again I will suggest they have to go with the professional help, because if uh, this is all about the personal training. If they are not getting into any this kind of a professional help, and if they are getting into any kind of a professional help, this is my advice: they have to sit and they have to set their schedules, how they have to manage their own health, their own routines with the family health.
Very true, ma'am. Ma'am, as we are a foodie company, so are you a foodie? Are you a foodie?
Yes, I have started my fitness regime only because I was foodie. So
Ma'am,
I
what,
fit with the
what,
like, tasty foods.
ma'am, what is one food that you like in your childhood?
uh,
Eh,
in my childhood, again, I was a good girl. I eat all the things made at home. But yes, definitely there was few things which were I liked the most. It was like ice creams. I liked the most, and I like chocolates and curd. These are the things which I like in my childhood.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, now the children or the students are more attracted towards junk food. So how we can give them a healthy balanced diet?
See, this is again about your experimenting the things. Even my kids, if I'll not cook that kind of a good and tasty food, he will jump into the junk very easily. But there is always alternatives to inculcate the good habits, eating habits. Like if your kid is fond of pizza, you can use the multigrain base and with the healthy toppings, and the cheese is also healthy. If you know about the right macros, then cheese is also a good source of protein. You can put it with a good amount of veggies. And if these are the example, if they are fond of burger, you can use the multigrain burgers and make the paneer tikki into that. It's not about you need to eat the bread only. You can use the good bread with the you don't need to eat with the potatoes, because it is like that in the market. You can use the good topping on it. So everything, even you can follow my page. I usually share the good recipes, the good healthy recipes over there. So there are n numbers of experiments which you can do even with the home cooked food, and make it a little fancy, and kids enjoy it like anything.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, my next question is ki, what is your favorite movie and why you like it?
My favorite movie is Harry Met Sejal. I
Okay,
watched it
ma'am.
so many times. Again, it's my favorite because of my favorite casting, Shah Rukh and Anushka. And
Okay, ma'am.
another reason why I like this movie, because it's all about the traveling, and I love to travel. So it's boost up my memories traveling around the world. So I really enjoy that movie.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, any message you want to give to the people watching you or going to watch you?
Uh, my message is like, don't ignore your health. Health is the most important. The health is wealth. This is the thing which we are keep listening from since our childhood, that health is wealth. But now with this pandemic, even anybody can relate this quote with their this thing, like health is the real wealth. So focus on your health, spend some time with yourself, meditate, laugh oftenly, do even 25 minutes to 30 minutes exercise daily. It will give you a very good impact. Inculcate the good eating habits, because it's all about 70% what you eat. So if you are eating right, so your health will be on the right track. 70% is the eating thing, 20% is the exercise thing, and 10% how you pamper yourself, how you give rest to your body. So it's if you keep yourself into this track, definitely you will gain a good health. So spend some time with yourself, walk in the open air, get into the sun, have the open sun. And these are the nature's things which is free of cost, but definitely it will give you a very good impact on your health. So right eating, exercise, meditate, laugh openly, meet your loved ones, and stay happy and healthy.
This is very true, ma'am. We will also do it. Ma'am, I would like to give my heartfelt gratitude and warm regards to you for gracing us with your presence in our chat show today. We at Hey Foodie have our own little way to thank you and share love to all our guests. On your screen, we will be presenting to you a certificate of participation. It will be shortly mailed to you. Please accept it on behalf of the entire Hey Foodie team. If you would like to show this interview to your loved ones, please share through our YouTube page. And to know more about Hey Foodie, please do visit our social media pages. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thanks, so nice of you.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thanks.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you. So should I leave now?
Yes,
ma'am,
ma'am. Yes,
sure.
ma'am. Sure.
And ma'am, due to some technical issue, we will be not presenting a certificate in screen, but it will be mailed to you shortly.
No issue. Thank
Okay,
you.
ma'am. Thank you. Thank you,
Have a
ma'am.
nice day, ma'am.
Same to you. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.